It was a glorious summer day out in the country. All of the little ducklings had hatched, all but the biggest one of all.
Look at him. So ugly.
Why would I want to play with that?
Look at him. Oh my,
my
gosh,
gosh,
he's
look
so
at that.
ugly.
Day after day, his brothers and sisters harassed the ugly duckling. Finally, he could not take it anymore and swam away. The wild ducks rejected him. So did the geese. He began to believe that no one would accept him because he was ugly.
I'm so ugly. No one wants to be with me.
The seasons came and went, but the ugly duckling's loneliness never went away. Then one spring day, the ugly duckling saw the two most beautiful birds on the lake. How he wished he could be one of them. The ugly duckling looked down. He saw his image, not the ugly bird he thought he was, but a beautiful swan.
I never dreamed of such happiness when I was the ugly duckling.